stopped off at Clydach Ironworks along the way. It's a beautiful area, just off the bypass, which you would never know is there. It's got fantastic views of Clydach Gorge, some fantastic waterfalls. It's also got these amazing looking ruins. Some say it's steeped in mystery. They used to make something called iron in these very halls. Strange to have a curving tunnel like that, isn't it? They must have had some extreme heat in here. You see how it's changed the rock? Bora YouTube. We're up Mynydd D. We're going to go check out the little bothy in Groen Fawr. It's just a little old reservoir building. There's only room for 3 to sleep in there. But we're probably just going to camp nearby. We're going to check it out though.
Yeah, I think it's warm.
It's really warm.
It's really hot today.
Proper boy then. I wish I brought the shorts actually.
Might go for a little dip in a bit.
Yeah. Last time I came up here, for the first bothy video I did, this path was a river. It's definitely not today. It is sweltering.
We've got horses on the path up ahead, so
Look at my hat.
he's not wearing a hat because we've got horses up ahead. He hasn't like dressed up or anything. we've had to makeshift a lead. Hang on. It's a bit warm. You should see this pony. Oh, he's beautiful. Gorgeous boy. Let me show you. Hiya. Hello. Oh, isn't he gorgeous? Alright, bye.
This is where I gotta keep it on the lead. Reservoir's a bit low. Dog's a bit warm. Yeah, and a kiss tent. Bothy. We're going to camp somewhere up there, like in the trees. Looks like we got a neighbour for the night. We're actually going to go up there. Let's go and take a look then. Come on, keep going. Haha. Oh, someone's already cleaned it. No, we'll have to sign the book, at least for me. That looks like a busy night. It's supposed to be 3 maximum, this bothy. I think that's as much swimming as we're going to do today. Don't fancy getting in there fully. To be fair, it's not that cold, is it? It was that for hiking gear. The tent is up. There's a very nice spot here. Kind of wish we'd pitched here instead now. Just off to go find some water now. There's a little side stream. I think that'll be a bit better to fill up the water, because you don't want to be filling up your water next to the bothy. You don't know how many people have peed and pooped near that. Whoa, some nice fresh water in there now, boys. Do. Look at that now. Fresh, that is. Do we think it's going to pump up?
Answers in the comments below. It's going.
Put it out in the sun for 5 minutes and it's fully charged now. Seems to have a second wind. That could be the clue. Right, camp is all sorted. Hello. Here's the tent. We're overlooking the reservoir. Absolutely amazing views. We decided on keeping this main door closed today. Just using the side ones. I think it just makes things a bit easier. This thing is so annoying. The zip gets stuck all the time on it. And I'm absolutely treating cat tonight. We've got mashed potato, spam. It's not even proper spam, it's Tesco spam. And baked beans. Tesco baked beans again. Winner on the water boiling. That stove seems a lot more efficient. Not for frying, but for boiling water. This one's just caught up, so we've got the mash. They say it takes a bold man to offer his girlfriend mashed potato and spam. Oh, come on, it looks alright. And the mash underneath.
Let's see.
I can tell you're not looking forward to it. So, is that?
Tastes like ham, really, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's alright. Beautiful full moon tonight. A couple of weeks off the solstice now. Might not get much in the way of stars, but it's going to be a beautiful clear night. Anyway, I think we're going to hit the hay and we'll see you in the morning. Night.
Not a bad spot to brush your teeth in the mornings, eh? Absolutely stunning. Day in paradise.
So cheesy. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, get in that comments. I always forget that as well.
Shout out to our members.
It's very good that way.
Maybe that way.
Yeah, not in my head.
Like to watch it.
Leave no trace.